Hi, Zanis, and I'd like to give feedback on the 500K challenge. I haven't done that for quite some time, simply because I haven't seen anything from the challenge feedback from Magnus and Piet. But I saw yesterday a video that they made, I think now in December. It was supposed to be in November, but it's in December. And in that, they have got Piet. He's the 500,000 rand that he invested stands at 681,000 rand. That is about 181,000 growth that he got for the client. Piet is a guy that is investing in funds here in South Africa. He's a fund manager. And then Magnus, he is a well-known advisor, and his money, he takes it overseas, and it's the first time that I've heard that they are reporting back in dollars. And based on the dollar-rand exchange, apparently it's 116,299 rand profit that he has made, if we can call it a profit. So the 500,000 stands at 616,299. Now, the last time that I've done an audit, of course, I decided I'm not going to. After 2 years, I think I've taken them out of with 100 rand. My 100 rand was worth 3.2 million. I did an audit, and I am not going to do an audit in between financial years. So I've achieved what I wanted to do. I said that I'm going to outperform them and any fund manager with at least 100%. Based on the 500,000, they are not close to that. I don't think they're going to get very, very close to that. But so as far as I'm concerned, I'm not going to carry on and do interim financials. It's costing just a lot of money, and I've already proved what I needed to prove. So from now on, financially, I'm not going to give any feedback. I think 3.2 million is not shabby. What we did last year already, I think you guys know it, we bought and took control of 10 million rand property. We bought a 10 million property. There's no banks involved in it. That property is giving us quite a decent income. We're happy with that. The crypto portfolio that I've got as part of this challenge is also performing well. And but there's another thing that I've decided that I'm going to do. I've actually started already like a couple of weeks ago. And that is, during this video, I heard that they asked, I think to Piet, and they said to him, what about Bitcoin? And then Piet says, no, he's got a thing, but he can't publish that. And it's part of his private circle. And he personally is buying a Bitcoin. And I thought, okay, I'd like to come in on that, because I personally think Bitcoin is a scam. I think it's bullshit. And I think by applying the wealth creator strategy that we can do something far better. Now, without knowing that you would say this, I've started the challenge, the 1 cent challenge, and this is giving me idea. I think I can take this 1 cent challenge and within a year outperform what Piet and Magnus is doing combined, right, over in total, right? But this is just for fun. So let me tell you what I've got in mind and how this panned out. I picked up while we were driving, Tanya and myself. She got a 1 cent in a purse, and she showed me while we were driving. And I looked at she said, look what I found. Now, the 1 cents here in South Africa, I don't think they've mined them or minted them. I mean, on blockchain here. They minted them since 2002. So it's got no value. And she said, look at this 1 cent. And I said to her, what do you think that the value of that thing is? And she said, nothing, because you can't trade with it anymore. I said, no, what if you apply the wealth creator strategy, the same strategy that I've applied for the 100 rand to the 10 million property? Right. She said, you tell me. And I said to her, I think at least 8 billion% growth. Now, there's 8 billion people in the world, so I thought, if I can just add 1% for each and every person there is, that sounds lucky. It impresses my wife at least. So I said 8 billion%. And she said, okay, show us. All right. And this is where the 1 cent challenge then started. And some of you may be following this. But then that morphed while we were in Sri Lanka. I thought, but that is not really a challenge, because the wealth creator strategy is a methodology that we follow. A method is step by step, and it should not be too difficult. But because people don't understand property and and how to collapse a wave, which is everything is energy, a wave into a particle to get to the money. And then once you've got the money, you buy the property. Maybe I can start teaching them by actually proving to them that you can literally within a year build a property portfolio in the broad sense, not physical property the way that everyone, because that's actually the wrong way. People go and buy property, but they buy it on a bond or with debt. And that's not the right way that wealth creators do that. What if I show them this process in order to be able to do it and get to 777,777 rands in a month? Right. Now, not for every month, but at least during this year, build it up so that I can prove that. And then when we got back, that goal changed again. And this is why I'm saying what I'm going to say now. You see, I do not believe that Bitcoin is Bitcoin. It's got nothing to do with the original white paper. They've hijacked that concept the way that they've hijacked money, basically, because money has got no intrinsic value. There's nothing that backed it. And the same cabal that is controlling money is controlling Bitcoin. They are controlling the miners. They are controlling the developers. They are controlling the narrative in terms of what Bitcoin is. And if you look at the utility, the functionality of a Bitcoin, for example, or any of the coins, it's there for some people to make a muro of a lot of money out of the ignorance of other people. So what I did was I said, I'm going to get onto the blockchain, follow the original protocol as close as possible. The only chain that could give that to me was BSV. And I started developing a wallet to prove that everything that Satoshi has said in the white paper is already applicable and can be done. And you can already build businesses. You can already add value. In other words, what I want to prove is that the protocol is locked, but the potential is unlimited the moment that you apply the same wealth creator strategy that I've done on the 100 rand to the 10 million property portfolio, and with the cryptos and with everything and the businesses that's in that portfolio. I can do with 1C, turn that 1C into 1 BSV, which at that stage, the price was 2056 that I got it from. And now I'm extracting the value from that. And with that, I want to prove that within a year, in other words, from November to November, we're now in December, that I will outperform both Piet and Magnus, the total amount combined. That will be the value of my 1 BSV. And I'm going to put everything directly on the blockchain. Right. So this past week, I've already invited my database to show them how it works. I think they were flabbergasted to see that you do not depend on the market. You do not depend on advisors. By simply applying the skills, that is the only way that I know that you can take control and design your destiny. And if you would like to follow me on that one, then please feel free to do so. Contact the office or join the 1 Cent Challenge I think on YouTube. They will have a channel on that. Follow that. And if you really, really are interested to learn how to do it, in other words, how to get the skills, then make sure that you contact the office. Ask them, Vincent or so will get back to you, explain to you if you're not sure. By the way, there's a webinar, and what I'm going to do, the recording of that webinar. I'll give you access to. And if you follow the recording, there will be a way that I'll give you 50,000 sats, right? Absolutely for free, just to check it out, to see how the wallet works. So I'll give you the wallet 100% for free, no strings attached. It's yours for the rest of your life. You can do with that whatever you want, because just like the Property Pro investment system, if you follow that, you'll do exactly what Satoshi told you in 2009 already. That can be done with the transactions, with its minimal fees, right? Everyone can do it through that wallet and prove what he has said in 2008, 2009 already. And for that reason, yeah. And then there's a way, if you listen to the webinar, My Crypto Reset, I'm going to direct you to a page. You fill in the form, and I'll send you 50,000 sats. And that's going to be the first step then of this, let's call it training process, where I'll share with you and give you deeper training in terms of the blockchain and what I'm going to do, and show you practically what is possible and what can be done. I think that you'll be pleasantly surprised if you see what is possible. Okay, but you have to take action. I'll send a link below to the recording of that specific webinar that I had this week. And then if you're interested, follow that. If you're not interested, then that's fine. But then I'll see you when I'm going to report back on the 1 cent challenge. So as far as I'm concerned, the 500K challenge is done and dusted. But now this to me is like a new little drive. I want to see if I can't outperform these guys in less than a year. Instead of 100 Rand, we start with 1 cent with an idea. And the combined effort of them, I think that I'm going to give them a go. Maybe give me feedback. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you think it's possible, or if you think this old man is crazy and or it's a bullshit story. By the way, if you think it's a bullshit story, maybe you should work on your paradigms, because unless you shift your paradigms, you're going to get stuck in the system. And you don't want to be stuck in the system, because that's why people are struggling, and that's why they are looking for out in terms of thinking that other people and gurus, those people have got no fucking idea what they're doing. They're following the system, they're in that trap, and they've got no way out unless they do something else. But from an investment point of view, if these two guys have invested their money where they invested their clients' money, it's a miserable return with enormous risk. Come back to me if you think that I'm talking a lot of shit and nonsense, and then prove to me that you can do better than me, because I'm a lifelong student. I want to learn. I want to see what you are doing in terms of the system to outperform me and my students, not only myself, but my students as well. I think that is more than enough. Follow me on that 1 cent challenge, and let's see what we can do with 1 BSV, all right? Which I believe is going to give me a far superior growth than what not only Pete, but anyone that is in that game. Now, I know that there's a ton of haters that's going to be on my case. I'm going to ignore you. I'm not going to entertain you. I've got no reason to entertain you. Risk is when you do not know what you're doing, or when you do not understand. And I can almost guarantee you that I've put in more time and effort to understand this than what most people do. So for that reason, if you're a hater, go crazy, right? I'm not going to entertain you, right? Thanks for your time. See you guys.